My name is Chenzira Allen. I am the Director of Digital Strategy Transformation in Indianapolis Public Schools. Indianapolis Public Schools is the largest school district in the state of Indiana. We focus on equality. Our goal is to ensure that our kiddos receive the same quality education that any other student would receive. We tend to across every educational field, and in that process, we have the ability to always reimagine how we're learning and teaching our kids. I think our digital transformation process has been efficient, and we're making mile markers where we're always gaining traction and moving in the direction of the 21st century. The goal is always to make sure that in all things that we do in digital transformation, that it is for the betterment of the district, it is for the betterment of our students, and overall for the betterment of our community. I am really excited about the next 12 to 18 months. And I think right now, just the evolution that's happened in the last 12 months with generative AI and just the capacity that it has to reshape how we do things, that we are in a position that IPS itself will be able to keep up with the industry and continue to provide cutting edge education to our students. And they deserve those things. So I look forward to what the next 18 months will look like and the possibilities that we can bring to fruition.